Hi, my name is David Reck, a student in Marketing Management Winter 2024 at BYU-IDAHO. I present to you my simulation reflection. In this simulation reflection, I'm going to talk about the 7 rounds performed. We talked about market research, product launch, promotions plan, distribution, optimize pricing, optimize promotion. In this round, the survey questions entails advertising, interest, features, price, sales, promotions, and research materials. When it comes to product selection, I did a great job matching my tote bag to the target audience, preferred material, size, color, and price. My positioning statement was okay. It wasn't great, but I can do better in that area. Pricing was great. I was able to hit the price exactly where it belongs. Promotion was not great at the beginning, but was fine-tuned later in the simulation. Distribution was okay, but I can still do better. All right. And now when it comes to the 4 P's as it relates to this very simulation, the 4 P's are product, price, place, and promotion. They are an example of a marketing mix or combined tools or methodologies used in marketing objectives. Let's talk about product. Product is important since there are similar products of the tote bag in the market. I therefore made sure to survey the questions or the customers to know their need before production. I talked about color, size, and style. When it came to price, I needed to match the price to the market price so that my tote bag can sell. I do not want to price my tote bag too high or too low. When it comes to placing my product where the customer can see it is key to me making the sales to maximize profit. Promotion. This has to do with the channels my customers can see the product to influence them to make pages. Also, what the customer can reckon with in my product to keep the customer coming back to the product. The next thing I would do is to talk about what went right or wrong. All right. I'm going to talk about 2 things that work right. Number one is product. Number two, price. I selected a product based upon the survey results collected, and that hit the nail right at the head. And the pricing was great because I went on again onto the survey question and got to know exactly how to price my tote bag. Number three, place. Number four, promotion. These 2 items, number three, let me talk about place. Place was quite a challenge. Finding the right place to sell my tote was not easy at the beginning, but later I was able to select all that worked best for me, except one. I couldn't get that one right. Okay, so in the future, I'm going to try to get it right so that I'll be able to make sure that, yeah, when it comes to place, I get it correctly. Number four, promotions. Well, it was okay, but not a top notch. I can do better in my future profession as a marketing manager when it comes to promoting my tote bag. Now, what do I want to remember in this whole simulation? It was such a great experience for me when it comes to the simulation. I remember the role survey questions play in marketing a product. The survey questions helps to gather an in-depth analysis or data to help the marketer to know exactly what to do. It places the 4 P's in proper perspective, which helps to adequately outdo a product that will serve the need of the customer. Set up the right price, thought to house the product, and how best to promote the product. So I will remember this. That is very critical to select great questions that will help. Now, career improvement. I wanted to improve on 2 areas in the marketing mix: place and promotions. I struggled to get a right place to market my product. Something was not quite working for me. I just needed the last right place for the product. Although I did okay, I was in yellow, I think I could get into the green by selecting the right place to market the product. And then promotions. When it came to the channels to promote my product, it was great. I was able to pick the channels the customer needed based upon the survey questions. Facebook was leading, Instagram, and then when it comes to Twitter, they all came in handy to help. And all this intensive simulation has helped me to know much about marketing. Now, my initial belief when it comes to marketing, it entails that marketing is all about selling the product to the customer or the advertiser. But now I have learned a lot. Okay, I fully understand that marketing comes with many other parts when it comes to product, price, place, and promotions. And in this lesson, I have learned some critical things. Okay, when it comes to performing primary and secondary research, select a product and set a pricing, managing a budget, analyzing sales data to optimize pricing, ad, spending, and distribution, development and positioning statement, creating an advertising mix and promotion plan, and setting up distribution channels. These are skills I've picked in this class. So in all, I want to say thank you to BYU Pathway, thank you to BYU-IDAHO, thank you to Brother Harper, my instructor. You were great and you did a lot to help me to come up strong in this class.